Hey beauties, I just finished doing my nails, so I'm trying not to let them get smeared. I'm going to visit my mom today with my whole family, and we're going to celebrate her birthday. She is 97 today. Oh, God bless her. She's an amazing woman, amazing. And I will show pictures throughout the video, and I'll send her your best wishes because I know you're going to tell me to say happy birthday to her. So I'm just going to tell her, my YouTube friends, and she's going to say, what is YouTube? And then I'll explain it to her. It's hot here, so I have on bicycle shorts. They have pockets so I can keep my phone in there, and I have white sneakers, and I have on this sweater. You've seen me in this sweater before. And then I have this little teddy bear with a diamond band, and then I have on a few engagement rings. That's right. And then I put my Apple Watch on this. Isn't this cute? I got this years ago. I'll try to find a link. It's so cute. You just hook it on to this sweat band, and when you're hot, you just wipe your head. I guess it's for runners. Okay, I am off, and I will come back later with some pictures.
That's nice.
Well, my mother had to keep us warm, and she had 14 kids, so
That's been around a while.
she didn't have enough bricks.
No vents.
Nice.
Oh, wait, this is
And it kept warm, right?
Yes,
when she's looking at it through the wall.
Okay, well,
but it was hot. When those bricks got hot,
all right, I'll blow them out. There we go. All right, now it's cake time.
thank you, everybody.
You're welcome. There's new shirts for her.
Thank you, and I love you too.
Stacy bought some shirts for
Yes,
her.
good. We love each other.
We love each other. She knows.
Make a wish. Make it. Make
She knows not to say
it.
it.
When it's done.
20 more years!
97.
Whew. Okay, I'm back. A few hours have passed. I am back. We had a little celebration at my mom's. They did a Mother's Day and her birthday. They catered food. They had a cake. They brought her a couple of dozen roses. We brought tons of food. And my son and I, here we are in this restaurant. It's so cute. Look at the pizza. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is one piece. Oh, that was one piece. They cut it in half. They put a garlic bread on top, and these are chunks of garlic. Their large pie is 20 inches. This is from a small pie. So cute. Thank you. Is that from a large pie? Is that the size of a large pie?
That's our small.
That's your small pie?
Yes.
Wow, how big is the large?
20 inches.
20 inch?
Yeah.
Oh,
So we start at 16, 18 inches.
it was so good, and it was so much fun to see a real New Yorker in the place. We had so much fun talking to him and his girlfriend, and they made us these giant pizzas, and everything was delicious. And oh, these are my glasses. I love them. But they're lopsided sometimes, you know? I hope the mirror didn't glare at you. I'm just touching up, and then I want to show you a new lipstick. See this container? I broke 2 compacts, and I put one in here on the bottom, and then I sift it out, and it's reusable. So don't throw away any compacts that break. Okay, let me show you the lipstick. Now I'm taking off my lipstick, and I'll use the Maybelline eraser. It's like lip gloss, it's like chapstick. You gotta put it all over. See? New lipstick by Maybelline. They hit it out of the park with this. This is the vinyl collection. This color is called Peachy. I believe it's kind of pinky, so I'm changing my lip right now to a pink tone. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to outline with Peachy. Okay, now, I mean, I could leave it like that. Me, I gotta play. So I am trying Loyalist 05 by Maybelline Matte Inks, and I'm putting it on the inside. And look, see, it's lighter, but not too much. But it's pinker. And then if it's too cool, I'll put this gold by L'Oreal. That's something shiny, it's called. And, or I could put the pink by, let's see. I have it here. Here it is. Here's the pink, To Be Treasured. Okay, or I can put the White Russian, but so I'm going to use this. And what I do is I put a little on top, above my lip, makes your lips bigger, and then I just put some right in the center. It's like you just ate something and it's juicy. They don't look dry. I don't think they look like vinyl. But they are very, very comfortable, long-wearing lipsticks. Here is the color. That is the Peachy. And it kind of looks peachy there. You know, I think on everybody's lips, everything looks different. I had gotten a lipstick and I gave it to my daughter because on me, it looked dark. And on my daughter, it was too light. So I think everybody's lip color makes the color come out different, and it is the exact, really the exact color of the container, but these are so super duper adorable. Whew. I want to show you the brushes I bought. I'll show you again if I have this video and another one, and then I'll show you this down below for my new lip combo, my new pinky. Oh, and I forgot, you're supposed to shake this. I forgot. Oh, goodness. You're supposed to shake it. Okay, this one is Dreamer. Ooh, let's see this one. Oh, no. Oh, that's a cool pink. And this, I would put this one. This one is called Dreamer. And watch, see that color? Beautiful. And that pink, isn't that gorgeous? That's all. I don't put it all over. It will eventually get all over. But there's the pink, the cool pink combo, and here's the warm pink combo. So I'll put them down below. And, oh, these lipsticks are great. You know, you come home from a party, from all day out, shopping, whatever, and your lips are still on. Your lips are still on. I mean, what's better than that? So, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed seeing the pictures of my mom's celebration. She is the loveliest woman I know. I just enjoy her so much. And I'm so glad my kids and my grandkids were so respectful, so loving towards her. My kids did good. They did good. They taught their kids to be loving and respectful of family members, and I love it. So, thank you so much. Thanks for being here for me. I'm here for you, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Love you.